Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to switch your current account to NatWest using the current account switch service. First, you gotta open the NatWest app or visit their website to apply for an eligible current account, like the select or reward account. Make sure you're not already a NatWest customer, as this offer is for new customers only. Now, once your new account is set up, initiate the switch using the current account switch service. The service will automatically transfer your balance, direct debits, and standing orders from your old account to your new NatWest account within 7 days. Your old account will then be closed. To qualify for the £150 switch bonus, you need to pay in at least £1250 into your new account within 60 days and log in to the NatWest mobile app. Now, after meeting these conditions, NatWest will credit £150 to your account within 7 days. And that's really it. You have just switched your current account to NatWest and earn a £150 bonus. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick how-to videos.